Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Tonight we've got Boxyluxe to unbox with you, and this is an odd shaped box, no? Wow, amazing. I'm a good YouTuber. So we're going to be unboxing Boxyluxe with you today, and if you don't know, that is the Boxyluxe that is around a $50 price point. It's $49.99, 8 to 9 full-size items, and that is the one that comes every third month. So March, June, September, and so forth. And the value is supposed to be around $250. So I'm excited to get into it and try it out. I have on no makeup for really two reasons. One is that it's already been a long day and I'm lazy, frankly. And the other is I know one thing that's in here and I'm really excited to use it. So I thought I would just give you guys my initial first impression of this one product. And then if there's any other things that we can try out, then I will do that for you as well. So before I talk a lot, because I feel like I'm in one of those chatty Cathy moods and I need to keep it moving. So let's get into Boxyluxe. Concrete. Interesting. Pretty edgy. Oh, this is the pretty edgy box. I didn't even know that. I'm gonna go straight for the device that I'm so excited about. So this is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. So if you don't know, I am currently using the PMD microdermabrasion device, and I've really been loving it. I have used it 3 times now, and it's a once a week treatment, and it is really effective. It's honestly I thought I was really good with exfoliation, and I thought, oh, I'll start off and it'll be so gentle that I'll need to move up, but I actually like the gentle setting and I am giving my skin time to adjust. But this is the device once more. So this is the Smart Facial Cleansing Device. This has a retail price of $99, and it says over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Sonic glow technology will ensure a deep cleanse, lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the packaging. It's actually really cute. I love the handle and everything, and then I think this side might be good for massaging. I know they do have one too that has rose quartz on it, and that is so pretty. I love that the base has this rose gold as well. They did include a battery. It looks like 1 AA. Oh my god, and it's even a PMD battery. Would you look at that? It's vibrating. It's a pretty decent vibration. This is a little flexible too. Oh, that was low. Ooh. It pulses. I knew that was gonna tickle, but I had to do it anyway. Wow. Okay, so it looks like you've got low, high, a low pulsing, and then a high pulsing. The high pulsing is like, whoa. All right, I'm gonna give this guy a little cleanse, and then we're gonna come back and cleanse my skin. All right, we're back, and I do not have a cleanser in this box, so I'm just gonna spritz my face with some Evian. I'm gonna give my device a little spritz. Why not? And I'm just going to use a little bit of the Ole Henriksen Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. It really shouldn't take much, especially with a device. This is a strong vibration. I went ahead and put it on just the regular high setting, not the pulsing one. And I have to say, this is a strong vibration. Oh. Get in those brows. Alright, so my skin feels so clean, and I have to say I was not expecting for the vibration in this to feel so strong, and I'm not surprised because I did use their microdermabrasion device like I said, and it was really good, super effective, maybe a little bit stronger than I expected, which is great for an at-home device because you want it to be that good. So the backside is meant for massage, so I'm just going to take a little bit of the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle. We're gonna dot this on my skin. A little bit of this moisturizer goes a long way, so I feel like with this, maybe even more so. So I'm just kind of massaging until, there's a little grip to it and it's soaking in a little bit too much, but as long as it's gliding, I'm kind of just continuing to massage. All right, so I'm actually really impressed with that. I could see myself buying that if I was experiencing it for the first time and didn't own it, but it feels really nice. My skin feels invigorated in a way, but super ready for the rest of my skincare. I'm pretty impressed. So that was a great first item. Again, a $99 value for that. And then let's check out this next product. So next we got the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Now this, funny enough, I actually just used in another video and I do like it. I think this is the older packaging, but the same product to my knowledge. I don't think they've reformulated. So here it is. This goes for $70. So since we just did our moisturizer, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of this on. Why not? And considering that I already do love this product, and I think I talked about in my last video as well, like Murad really works for me. I tend to have great experiences. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of this on. I'm tempted to do my face with makeup as well, but I'm just going to be real with you guys because I get a lot of comments that you guys like how real I am, and I'm just keeping it like... literally, it's just me and I'm talking to you guys. That in the spirit of that realness, I'm not gonna put on a face of makeup because I am literally going to chill at my house for the rest of the night and get this video up for you, and that is it. So I will swatch things and all that good stuff, but we're gonna keep it simple. Ooh, okay, that's a good skincare combination. Like, very basic, but my skin is feeling and looking really radiant. I feel like that gave a little bit of life back in there. I've been in the car for most of the day and now I feel like my skin is radiant and glowing again. All right, so we got two little guys from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Coco Cabana cream and the Brazilian Bumbum cream. Yes. So I talked about this in empties videos, favorites videos. It's literally like 100% my favorite. I haven't used the Coco Cabana a lot. I will say I liked the original formula okay, but they definitely stepped it up with the newer formula and I think it's even better. Once again, I think I've said this in the last like 4 videos. My hands are so dry, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this on. This one's so nice for the hands too because it's creamy but also very lightweight, almost like a cream gel. So I feel like it's great for the hands because it really sinks in, and as much as we are all washing our hands right now and sanitizing, our hands need some freaking moisture. These are going to be perfect for my purse. I feel like I need something for my purse right now, so this is great. And a $15 value for these two is what it says. This one has some firming action. I don't think the Coco Cabana does, but honestly the scents are so amazing. I like the Bum Bum a little bit better, and I know it's Boom Boom. I think that's the proper pronunciation, but I love to call it Bum Bum. Is that bad? On to the next. All right, next we got the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. So not to sound ungrateful, but I feel like when subscription boxes do like their own branded stuff, I just don't get as excited about it. And when I saw that this was an option, I was like, I hope I don't get that one. I was actually hoping for the other like variations. There were some other things that I saw that I was like, ooh, that one would be really nice, and wasn't excited for this. But I have to say, looking at it now, it does look pretty, and I'm going to do some swatches for you. So here is the Hello Charmer palette. This goes for $39. $39 is, if you compare it to high-end products, like this doesn't look bad because you've got so many shades. You've got a total of 12 shades here. The pan sizes are decent, and it is a cruelty-free palette as well. So a little bit about what they say. It features 12 matte and shimmery shades, specifically with our charmers in mind. Highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transition day to night looks. Transitional day to night looks. Okay, so let's just do some swatches. I'm gonna move my scrunchie. So I'm just gonna swatch some for you guys and we'll kind of see what our thoughts are. You don't see a lot of whites in palettes, but they do come in handy. But what do you guys think about this, like getting something from, you know, the brand of the subscription box itself? Do you think that that is kind of like cheating, or do you like it and like you like the idea of them creating custom products for their subscribers? So here's a few swatches so far. She's looking pretty good, I have to say. This shade, the reddish one, is Unboxing. That's the first one that I've come across where I've been like, maybe not. But the rest are actually swatching pretty good, and like I don't really have any complaints about that. I'm going too far down, so I'm just gonna move up to my hand here. Ooh, that one's nice. All right, guys, I'm actually like maybe have to eat my words a little bit, and that's okay. In order, the white shade is Boxy Charmer right here, full size, exclusive, spoiler, luxe. This one is Unboxing, that reddish shade, and then back up, we're just following that row. Sneak peek, premium, swipe up, which is this beautiful glitter, pop up, And then finally Cup of Joe, which Joe I think is the founder. So really pretty shades, and I honestly have to say it looks pretty gorgeous. Like I'm impressed. And this glittery shade, Swipe Up, it's kind of like, no, I'm going to compare them to the little Wet n Wild glitters in the single squares. It's like what that wants to be but didn't quite get there. So this shade Swipe Up is like, there is something to it where it's got some consistency and it's not purely just glitter, but it actually is like holding really well, and I'm really excited to see how that wears on the eyes. So I'll definitely be trying this palette out. Let me know if you guys got this, if you guys would like to see some looks on how to kind of make this work, because I mean, granted, the shadows, you know, they're performing really well, but it is somewhat of an odd color story. There's a lot going on. There's like warm, and then there's brights, there's the glitter. So if you guys, you know, want some looks with this, let me know and I'll keep that in mind. But $39, not bad for the quality that I'm seeing. All right, next we got something from NARS, and I actually really like this product already. These are the Power Matte Lip Pigments, and I got the shade Give It Up. These go for $25, and I do not have this shade. I don't remember this name, boo, but it's so pretty. So here is the packaging. Classic NARS, and I'll swatch this for you guys. If you do get this formula and you haven't opened it yet, hey buddy. Bear in mind that this is a very thin fluid formula, and I've actually watched someone pick up a tester before and pour it out because it's so liquidy, but that I love personally because once it sets, it's thin, it's comfortable, it doesn't get chunky, and this is the shade I got, which is again Give It Up. It looks so pretty. And $25 for that. The next item is from Elizabeth Mott. I've not used anything from that brand before, and this is Smooth Shadow, but it's a duo, so I think we got 2 pencils. Here is the box, and it says this is a $40 value. $20 is kind of standard for a lot of brands that you'll see at Sephora for an eyeliner. Personally, I don't like to pay quite that much if I don't have to, but a lot of times those are the really good brands. So we got the shades Raven and Pearl, and here is the pencils. So I'm gonna give these guys a swatch. Pearl is really pretty. It kind of has a little shift. Like at first I was like, and then once it caught the light, it was really gorgeous. All right, so here we go, Pearl and Raven. They glide on really smoothly on the swatch. So this will just be a matter of testing it out, and I will keep you guys updated on what I think, but they seem like really good pencils. I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, it's one item and it's 2 pencils. So I feel like that's really nice because a lot of times one eyeliner is the whole item, and here we're getting 2. The next thing I got is from Deborah Lippman. So this is Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling Nail Polish Set. Needs a little mixing up. All right, I think that helped. So here is the little duo. It looks really cute. And I do like Deborah Lippman polishes. I feel like they're really good quality. I have a few shades, but I haven't purchased a whole lot. So the reddish shade is Fire on the Horizon, and the pink is Can't Stop the Feeling. So here they are. This actually would have been really cute for February. Very much Valentine's Day vibes. So that duo goes for $19. It says it's a healthy alternative to gel polish. Dual patented formula with 10 active ingredients helps deliver health, wear, and shine. Maybe that's why I love them so much and I just didn't know it yet. All right, and we've got one more product left. So we have the Appeal Gel Liner in the shade Muse. This is for lips or eyes. I was kind of looking for a second, like, which is it? But here is the product. I think I've had a couple Appeal liners so far and like them. So here's the color Muse. I mean, I can definitely 100% see myself using it on the lips. I don't know if I would use it on the eyes, but I could definitely try it for that. My skin, I know I look a little like pink, like normal, my skin looks so fresh and glowy to me. Anyway, all right, so this guy goes for $21. I do think that's a little pricey, as I already said with the others. So in a sense, we kind of got 3 eyeliners if you would use this color for the eyes, but a pretty nice product to get. So let me give you guys the rundown one more time on what we got and the value. So the Murad eye cream was $70. Sol de Janeiro Duo was $15. That puts us at $85. The Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette was $39. So that puts us us at $124. The PMD device was $99, so that puts us at $224. The NARS lip pigment is $25, so that puts us at $249. The Elizabeth Mott eyeliner set is $40, so that puts us at $289. The Deborah Lippmann polish is $19, so that puts us at $308. Is that right? And then Appeal Cosmetics liner for $21 puts us at $329. Is that accurate? So I have to say I'm pretty impressed with this. I'm definitely most excited about the PMD device. Like I said, I use the microdermabrasion and I really love it, so I'm happy to use this. And I love that I have now something that has the vibration with the massage of products. The NARS lip is also a big favorite of mine, so I love, love, love that. The Murad Hydrodynamic eye, like these products alone for the price that we paid is like already insane. Literally, like you're getting this for half price. The palette is a great surprise. I feel like it's actually looking and feeling really, really nice, so I'm excited to use it. And then of course 2 nail polishes, 3 liners, like we got a lot of products. So I'm pretty happy with this Boxyluxe. Let me know what you guys are thinking below, and how do you feel about this style of video? Kind of like a little bit of try on, like a slight, very quick first impression, or do you like just an unboxing, or would you prefer a more in-depth try on every single product first impression? Let me know what your go-to is. I kind of like this in between because I can give you like initial thoughts, or if I've already used it, what I feel about it, maybe a little bit of try out, but maybe not everything, so it's not so lengthy. But that is it for this Boxyluxe unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have been seeing your guys' support. You guys have been hearing me out with the comments and the thumbs up and all that stuff, so thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you are still watching, thank you so much for sticking around and giving my channel a chance. I've been asking you guys lately, just show the love and support if you can, if you have the time. And of course, if you like the video, you know, leave a thumbs up, comment if you can, and of course, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I would love to, you know, grow this enough to be able to interact with you guys more often, bring you a little bit more high quality content where I can spend a little bit more time doing it. That's my eventual goal, and you know, it'll take me some time, but we're gonna get there, and you guys make it all possible. So thank you so much. I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I will see you tomorrow in another video. Bye. How did I get cat hair on this already?